Pois ela vai causar pra poder comprar com Deus até o dia clarear. A mulher faz sacanagem, 24 horas por dia.
Hey Google. Hey Google. Shit. Hey Google. Hey Google. Fuck. What's the weather today?
High of 55 and a low of 47 and cloudy.
Hey Google.
Right now it's 57 and cloudy.
Hey Google. Weather, please.
Oh, it's 57. Tonight, the forecast is for a high of 55 and a low of 47 and cloudy.
Stop the music. Whew. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like how my dogs did. Boy, this dog did not care shit. Don't ya? Don't ya? Do you not care when I play music? Do you not care when I play music? Yo! Yo! Do you not care when I play music? Oh, yeah. You're my baby girl. Can't you believe a dog like her age survived that? For me, that's just insane. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope I don't get a visit from the cops. bit worried that the neighbors might call the cops on me. Okay, we're all good. No cops. Plus, there's small speakers anyway. And when all these speakers are playing at max volume, the JBL Xtreme 3 is going to be the loudest here. Whew. Music like that is just amazing. Connecting speakers together to make an even louder sound. For me, that's just incredible.